Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It does not cost anything, so I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Today I am making this beautiful winter wreath, and you will need some little brush bottle trees, and these came from Target. They were only $1 each, and you can find them at Dollar Tree, Walmart. Lots of places carry these little trees. You're going to need a wire wreath form from Dollar Tree, and it's the 14-inch. And I also picked up that little reindeer ornament at Target. You're going to need some yarn, and this is the Loopy yarn. You're going to want to flip your wreath over to the back side, and you are going to carefully hot glue your yarn onto your wreath. So be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. This is a low temp hot glue gun I got at Hobby Lobby, and it's very inexpensive, but just add a little hot glue to the yarn and then just put the other yarn over the top. That way the wire wreath form is in the center of it, and then let it dry for a little bit, and then now you're ready to wrap the yarn around the wreath form. And you're just going to go around and around and push it forward. That way you don't see your wreath. You could spray paint the wreath form if you wanted to. I kind of forgot about doing that, but it doesn't matter. This is wonderful yarn. It's real thick and fluffy, so you will not see it if you push it forward and get it really tight. You don't want to pull the yarn really tight. You don't want it too loose, but you want it to stay on the wreath form and be nice and even so that it makes, a circle when you get it hung up on your wall or door. So just take your yarn and just wrap it around. Now you could use the other kind of yarn, the Chanel chunky yarn if you would like, but this is the Loopy yarn, and it is Bernat, B-E-R-N-A-T, alize, I don't know, I may be saying it wrong, A-L-I-Z-E yarn. It's just blanket yarn from Walmart, and I believe it was around $7. And I will add in the description box below, I will add a materials list for you. And you're going to want to hot glue your brush bottle trees onto your wreath. And you're also going to need some fishing line, because when you hot glue them on, you're just going to hold it until the hot glue dries, but you're going to want to tie some fishing line around the bottom of the little tree, and then take the fishing line and attach it to the top of the wreath form, because that way they stand up straight and don't fall over. So you'll do the same steps with all three of your little trees, and just make sure you get the fishing line tight because you want them to stay standing straight up and down. And then here I'm adding the second little tree, and like I said, these came from Target, and they were in the front, the Target Bullseye Playground. And so just this one, I tied the fishing line on first before I hot glued it on, and then I attached it to the top of the wreath form. And here's how all three look, and the fishing line is nice and tight, so they're standing up straight. And then I decided to add my little silver reindeer ornament from Target, so I'm just adding some hot glue, and I'm going to place it right below the little trees. Now, if your little wooden piece is showing on your trees, you can cut a little piece of yarn to cover up the trunk part of your tree if you would like. And then you'll just go back and fluff all your loops. And I used a piece of fishing wire to make a loop so that I could hang it on my door. This wreath is perfect for Christmas. It's also perfect to leave up in January too. It's just a winter wonderland wreath, very simple to make and inexpensive. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. And I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. And if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So thank you so much for watching.